If you've been using Mistplay for a while, you've probably noticed one thing. Earning points can feel slow if you don't understand how the app actually rewards activity. In this video, I'll show you how to get Mistplay points faster without spending money, which strategies actually work in 2026, and which common mistakes waste your time. Mistplay is a rewards app where users earn points for playing mobile games. People search for Mistplay tips because they want to maximize rewards, gift cards, and gameplay time without paying for in-app purchases. This is especially useful for casual mobile gamers, students, or anyone looking for small side rewards during free time. The first thing to understand is that Mistplay rewards consistency more than speed. New users often jump between games too quickly. Instead, focus on games with high unit multipliers and stay active in one game long enough to level up efficiently. Another important tip is to install newly featured games. Mistplay often boosts rewards for promoted titles, especially during limited campaigns. These usually give faster point progression compared to older games. You should also avoid idle gameplay. Mistplay tracks engagement, so actively completing tutorials, missions, and achievements tends to perform better than leaving a game open in the background. One overlooked strategy is daily streaks. Logging in consistently and completing small sessions every day can build points surprisingly steadily over time. Now, realistic expectations matter here. Mistplay is not a full income source, and rewards vary depending on your region, available games, and time spent playing. Some games reward faster than others, but there's no guaranteed earning rate. Overall, Mistplay is worth trying. If you already play mobile games and want to earn a little extra in gift cards while doing it, the best results usually come from consistent use, smart game selection, and patience. If you've tried Mistplay before, comment with the game that earned you points the fastest. And if you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more honest app reviews and reward app tutorials.